From Seymour, Connecticut, we have Eddie Salcedo. And from Miami, Florida, we have Charlie Zellman. Marks up his pocket.
A little bit of nerves here in the first rack. Oh, wow. Good shot there.
Charlie is right here where he wants to be. Tied 1 game apiece.
These 3 balls right here for Eddie to get on the hill.
And ball drops.
Nothing easy on this table. Nice shot. Ew. That is not what he had hoped for right there.
And there it is. Eddie Salcedo fires that 8-ball in the corner, and he is the 2025 8-Ball Classic champion in the yellow tier.